This here's beef brisket.
Beef brisket, looking good too.
That's gonna be a great burnt end. So I'm looking forward to.
Pork roast.
Ooh, I like the grill marks.
That looks nice, doesn't it? Starting to get some good separation. Yeah.
Smells good. Need smell-o-vision.
Beef ribs.
I'm sure there's like a zoom on here, right? It doesn't matter. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Figure it out later.
It's this center now.
Okay.
And a whole
And
chicken.
Yardbirds.
Woo! Wow, those like look like chicken. Oh God.
Them
So you
things
like
are so
kill 'em in the
juicy.
backyard?
Oh.
Are they the ducks from the lake? Over in the lake. No.
Now it's what we call dinner.
This house, this pond is paying off. I gotta say, I think the chicken smells the best.
I would have to agree with that.
Hey, good job. You marinated the heck out of those things. Carbon.
Huh?
Carbon.